Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a guest design team project for Mindbarretty, and Sophie asked me if I would do a guest spot and I said yes. Oh god, something stuck on there. The journal kit that she gave me to work with was Rustic Graden, and I had lots of fun with that. So I've made a hardcover. It has 2 signatures. There is lace trim and rosette flowers on the spine. I've used this page as my front cover and I've left it plain because I thought it was really nice. You could actually stamp something on there or put a little embellishment on there. I've got a little bead dangle on here, and I'm not sure, it's got a little rondelle bead. I think they're really pretty. I bought some of them last week. Garment pin, we've got eyelets, and we have seam binding closure. Let me see if I can do this without getting in a big knot. Okay, so that's the journal. So on the inside, I've used this page as my inside cover. It's really lovely. Little cottage in the countryside. I've put some lace trim down here and here. And I like the kind of these blue tones in this kit. Excuse me. They're very they're obviously the deep rustic colours. So I've used some of the embellishments from the kit as tuck spots, made some tags. I had some napkins which were quite similar in colour, little shade lighter I think, but it kind of went well. So I've done them onto tags and some crocheted trim. There is stenciling. Left all the pages as is. I printed out extra pages and made some more tuck spots. This was just stuff I had in my stash, and I've just backed it onto some tea or coffee dyed paper. Made some, I didn't make them, I altered them, some large index cards and some more tags. There's quite a lot of tags and things in here. I've used some Edith Holden pages within the book, obviously because it's kind of gardeny themed, so that went well. Got a top tuck here, a journaling card with some more of the napkin. The flowers, not the flowers, the butterflies I punched out from some kind of cardstock that I thought went well again with the blue in this. Some more ephemera, a doily paper bag, my usual layout in this. There is lots of places to journal. Here I've just made a corner tuck, but I've used one of the pages, shrunk it down a little bit and made a side pocket. Got a tag in there. Done some layering with some burlap and cheesecloth there. Made a little book. I just shrunk that right down. Got a flip up, flip down journaling spot there, and a tag. Some lined paper. Just tied it in the middle here. We've got another tuck here, and this was one of the pages that I just cut in half and made a pocket. These are just some little sayings out of Edith Holden book. What one is it? It's the Country Diary. Little journaling card from the kit, as is this. So they just tuck in there. Made another top pocket with one of the pages and just put some lace trim here, a ticket and a butterfly with what's under there, I'm not sure. Yeah, some burlap and cheesecloth. This, that's what I used on the inside cover. This I just sewed around and inked up, again from Edith Holden. Corner tuck here. This little circle was from the kit, so I just made a little flip there. Little kind of envelope. A tag and another Edith Holden little saying. I don't know if they're poems or just nature quotes. Another side tuck and a tag, with some layering here with some lace fabric, a ticket, some Hessian burlap and cheesecloth. Large tag here. My doggy's just come in to see me. Another little flip up here, and some little journaling cards from the kit and a tag, and that's the first signature. Excuse me. A little envelope here. Again, this little circle was from the kit. A side pocket here, and a little booklet again, just shrunk down the pages, and we've got a top and a bottom tuck there. Another index card and a tag. Oh really, I've got a tickly cough today. A large tag from Edith Holden, and another page, some nice reading on there. Another Edith Holden piece here, and another journaling card I made from the napkin. A pocket here, and another little tag from the kit. This is from the kit, and it was a page, so I just cut it down into a pocket. Another top tuck there, and tickets. Oh, I'm so sorry, I know there's a great big garbage lorry going past, and it's bin day today. Oh, it's gone, thank goodness. A little flip out here, which is also a pocket, and again this is from one of the pages. I just cut it up. It's good to, you know, you can use your pages not just for pages. It's good to cut them up and make pockets and envelopes and all sorts of things with them. So I'm just got to think outside the box a little bit. Another tag here. This is a journaling card from the kit. Another tuck. It's a butterfly with some layering there. Oh, let's see if we can get these off. Another big journaling card, and that was in my stash. I will put links below to this kit, so if you want to go over and check it out. This is a little envelope, please do so. And I just put a little paper clip on there with some seam binding. This was another full page, and I just made that, cut it up and made it into a pocket. Another tag, and got another pocket here. This is a flip there pocket, tuck, whatever you want to call it. This is from the kit, as is this little file folder, and this was just out my stash, and that is the journal. So there we have it. So like I said, the links will be below to Mindbarretty's Etsy listing of this journal, and I believe I don't know if it was a new kit, but I seen it on Pinterest the other day, but there's a nice kind of pinky rose garden one out as well at the moment, so I check that out too. This will be going on to my Etsy if anyone's interested. The link will be below for that too. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.